Good morning, class 11 students. We are doing trigonometry. So, trigonometry today will see identities, sum to product, and product to sum. What are those? Let us see sum to product. So, first of all, the identity is sin C plus sin D. This is a very important identity. You have to learn it. Okay. This is 2 sin C plus D by 2 cos C minus D by 2. Then we have sin C minus sin D, 2 cos C plus D by 2 sin C minus D by 2. Then we have cos C plus cos D, 2 cos C plus D by 2 cos C minus D by 2. And this is cos C minus cos D minus 2 sin C plus D by 2 sin C minus D by 2. These are 4 important identities, okay? And then there are 4 more. So what are those 4 more identities? Let us see. They are product to sum, okay? They are product to sum identities. Product to sum. And they are just very much the same. We have seen this. Start with 2 sin x cos y, 2 cos x sin y. Mine are 2 cos x cos y minus 2 sin x sin y. Okay. What are the identities for this? You can easily write them. This is product to sum, and this is sin sin. This is sin plus sin. This is sin minus sin, and I will write what is here. This is cos plus cos, and this is cos minus cos. And here you have to write x plus y, and here you have to write x minus y. So you can just follow this x plus y, x minus y. So these are the identities for product to sum. Now we'll do some questions related to these identities. And yesterday I gave you homework, and that was exercise 3.3. So I'm sure you have tried all the questions. I will solve some of the questions, and then you can write them. So today also you have to do the further questions. If you had any problem, let's solve the questions here. So we'll do the fourth question of 3.3. Question number 4 is 2 sin square 3 pi by 4 plus 2 cos square pi by 4 plus 2 sec square pi by 3 is equal to 10. And to solve this question, you have to do like this: 3 pi by 4. Sin 3 pi by 4, I am solving one by one. It's written as pi minus pi by 4. So sin pi minus pi by 4 is sin pi by 4. Okay. So sin pi by 4 is 1 by root 2. So this is 1 by root 2 whole square plus 2 cos pi by 4 is also 1 by root 2 whole square. Sec pi by 3. Pi by 3 means 60 degree. Sec 60 degree is 1 upon cos 60 degree. Cos 60 is half. So this is 2 into 2 square. So now we can simplify this and get the answer. And the answer will be 2 into 1 upon 2 plus 2 into 1 upon 2 plus 2 into 4. So this is 1 plus 1 plus 8, that is equal to 10. So this is a very simple question. Only thing is 3 pi by 4. Second, let's do the question from 6, 7, 8, 9. If you have any problem, you can quickly see that they are all very easy questions. Okay. So you can, if you have done, you can just verify the answer. This is sine, this is cos pi by 4 minus x cos pi by 4 minus y minus sine pi by 4 minus x sine pi by 4 minus y. Now let us consider this as A and this as B. This is A and this is B. The identity is cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. If you have learnt the identities, this is cos A plus B. This is cos A plus b. So what is a and what is b? A is pi by 4 minus x and pi by 4 minus y. So this is equal to cos pi by 4 plus pi by 4 is pi by 2 minus I am taking common x plus y. Cos 90 minus theta is sin theta. So this is sin x plus y. Hence proved. Yes. So we have done this question. Now question number 8. We will do similarly. Question number 10 is exactly same. Sin A sin B plus cos A cos B is cos A minus B. So you will get cos x there. And 9th question you can easily try. Okay. So let's do the 8th and the 9th question quickly. If you have not tried them, you can write the answer and keep trying new questions. You should be able to solve all these questions by yourself. Okay. Question number 8. Question number 8 is cos pi plus x cos minus x sin pi minus x cos pi by 2 plus x. Okay. We have to prove cot square x. Right. Cos pi plus theta is minus cos x. Cos minus x is plus cos x. Sin pi minus x is sin x. And sin pi by 2 cos pi by 2 plus x. This is second quadrant because pi by 2 plus x and this changes to sin. And cos in the second quadrant is negative. So this is minus sin x. This minus and minus gone. You are writing cos square x upon sin square x, and this is equal to cos upon sin is cot. So this is cot square x, hence proved. So we will do one more question here, and that is 9th question. Let us quickly do the 9th question here, and then you can do the remaining part. I will give you as homework today. Most of the questions will be from sin C plus sin T identity. Question number 9 is cos 3 pi by 2 plus x cos 2 pi plus x cot 3 pi by 2 minus x and plus cot 2 pi plus x, and this we have to prove equal to 1. So let's do the question. This is cos and this is odd multiple of 90. So this is raised to sin, and 3 pi by 2 plus x is our fourth quadrant, there cos is positive. So this is sin x. Cos 2 pi plus x same as cos x. Cot 3 pi by 2 x, and this is third quadrant. Third quadrant cot is positive. So cot will change to tan x plus cot 2 pi plus x is same as cot x. Okay. And now this is just an identity. You have to prove it. So you can write sin x cos x, and here you can write sin upon cos, and here you can write cos upon sin. Okay. Take this as LCM. This is sin square x, this is cos square x, which is 1, and these two will cancel with the LCM, and you will get the answer as 1. So remaining questions I am giving as homework till say question number 20, 21. Okay, question number 20, 11 to 20. You can try them as homework. Try to use cos C plus cos D, sin C plus sin D, product to sum and sum to product. Okay. So I'm sure you will be able to try the questions and solve them. So see you in the next class.